Hello students, today we will continue our chapter number 4, which is factors. Today we will learn about highest common factor, which is also known as HCF. You know what is common factor? If I am taking 6 and 9, you know the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factors of 9 is 1, 3 and 9. Okay. In both numbers we having common factors, that is 1 जो है वो दोनों में है, also we having 3 in both. So common factors क्या होगी इसके? 1 and 3. Now what is highest factors? Highest factor is the biggest, highest common factor is the biggest number, that is here we having 3. 1 and 3 में हाईएस्ट कौन सा है? दैट इज 3. तो हमारा जो 3 जो है वो HCF होगा हमारे नंबर 6 and 9 का. लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. हियर वी हैविंग 24 and 18. We will find factors of that first of all. That is 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 is 24, 3 into 8 is 24, 4 into 6 is 24, then we having 2 into 12. Okay, so we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 as our factors. Here I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 24. Now let us discuss about factors of 18. That is starting from 1. 1 into 18 is 18. 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. That are factors of our number 18. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now we will find the common factors of 24 and 18. So there is 1 जो दोनों में आ रहा है, that is also 2 in both, 3 in both. Then we will have 6 जो है वो भी दोनों में है हमारे पास. So we are having common numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Common factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. What is highest common factor? मतलब जो हमारे पास factors है उसमें से highest number कौन सा है? That is 6. So we can say that HCF of 24 and 18 is 6. Highest common factor is common factors in which the number is highest. हमारे जो common factors है उसमें से जो highest number है हमारा वो हमारा होगा common factor. Let us discuss more example. That is 8 and 16 I am taking. (8 and 16). Factor of 8 are starting from 1. 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 4 is 8. Then we are having common factors as 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now let's discuss 16. 1 into 16 is 16. 2 into 8 is 16. 4 into 2 is also 4 into 4 is also 16. So our common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8 and that is 16. Now what are common factors? That is 1, 2, 4 and 8. हमारे दोनों numbers में है 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now what is highest common factor? Highest number कौन सा होगा इन दोनों में से? That is 8. So HCF of 8 and 16 is 8. So that is introduction about HCF